Six people with a win. Nice though with number 5 right there for you. And how about you? Are you warming up the soup as well? That someone somewhere as well? When was the last time when I had a soup? A good soup. 7X great time, by the way. No idea. Well, I guess that is a 7X crazy time. Let's have some good soup. Alright, let's check out. Is the smell of the soup coming from here? The soup is not from here. Look at Pop. Ooh. 7X. It's time for your magic. Ooh, there's a triple. The triple would be nice. Oh, here we go, 7X. Activate. Oh, look at those multiplies. Look at those. I do see a 700X. Alright, choose your flopper. Green, blue, yellow, yellow, blue, green. Come, let's bring that hot. That 1,400. Come on, up triple. Oh, then 1,400 or 700 or whatever is there. We'll see. What is? No, well, it's a 350X on the blue, which is nice. 105X on the yellow. 107. Right there. Man, kind of sad that we didn't.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTCHS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.